Hi, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Hello. Thank you for listening today.
This podcast is for English beginners. We speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, you can listen and practice with us.
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Ben. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Ben. How are you today?
I'm good. I feel relaxed today. How about you?
I'm good too. I feel calm.
Anna, where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan. I live in a city. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from a small town.
Oh, a small town. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and simple.
That sounds nice. Is the town busy?
No, it isn't. It's very quiet.
What do you do, Ben?
I work in an office. I help people with work. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach students.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like helping people learn.
That's very nice. Do you work every day?
Yes. I work from Monday to Friday. What about you?
I work on weekdays too. On weekends, I rest.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I feel happy on weekends.
Do you like podcasts?
Yes, I do. I listen to podcasts at night.
Me too. I listen when I drink coffee.
That's a good time.
It's nice talking with you today.
Yes, I'm happy to talk with you.
Thank you for listening.
Practice English every day.
See you next time.
Bye.